Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're checking out the Ruko F11PRO 2 drone, a high-performance drone. Before starting, make sure to check the link below for the best price available. Let's see if this drone lives up to the hype. First impressions, premium build and design. Right out of the box, the Ruko F11PRO 2 feels like a premium device. Its foldable design makes it compact and travel-friendly, while the solid build gives it a durable, professional feel. It's clearly designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Camera performance, stunning visuals. The 6K camera on the F11PRO 2 is nothing short of amazing. It captures incredibly sharp stills with vibrant colors, while the 4K/30 fps video provides smooth, cinematic footage. Whether you're recording landscapes or action shots, the results are truly breathtaking. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization is a standout feature, keeping your shots steady even in windy conditions or while the drone is in motion. No more shaky footage, it's all about professional quality results. Flight performance, smooth and reliable. With a 10,000 feet FPV transmission range, you get a stable and clear live video feed, making it easier to frame your shots perfectly. The 70-minute flight time, thanks to the 2 rechargeable batteries, is another huge plus, allowing for extended flying sessions without constant recharging. The GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoints, and Orbit mode, make flying a breeze for both beginners and advanced users. Ease of use, user-friendly controls. The F11PRO 2 comes with a well-designed controller that feels intuitive to use. Pair it with the user-friendly app for additional features and easy setup. Even if you're new to drones, the simple controls and built-in tutorials make it easy to get started. Final verdict, worth every penny. The Ruko F11PRO 2 drone is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial shots and videos. Its high-quality camera, long flight time, and advanced stabilization make it ideal for content creators, hobbyists, and adventurers. Don't wait, check the link below for the best price and start your aerial journey today.